coming back to that institutions point, I was just reading a stat that 50% of the order volume on NSE and BSE is from algos, and I'm sure most of these volumes are from the institutions. So, do retail traders algo have any chance to win against these institutions?
So remember this: these institutional algos are purely arbitrage algos or market maker algos.
Okay.
And in fact, they are complementary to retail algos. Why? Because for a institutional, when he is doing an arbitrage, he's looking for that small alpha of 10 paisa or 15 paisa or 11 paisa or 50 paisa, whatever. And he's there doing constantly churning on it. Whereas a retail, he's looking for liquidity. Because if मुझे अभी बेचना है, तो मुझे समय buyer चाहिए, right? So they are not actually eating each other.
Yeah, and in fact, you want your execution cost to be lower when you.
It is a complementary.
In a way.
So, in fact, retail has two kind of mindset. Let's understand that retail is probably with anyone with a few lakhs to a few crores, not higher in crores. So, two kind of mindset. So, one would be if they are looking into the futures markets, they are looking for the directional moves. Or in the options market, they are probably looking for liquidity in their option strikes to create their own strategies. So, institutional algos, which are probably doing those arbitrage and you can say market making, they are giving a lot of liquidity to those entire environment. The entire ecosystem is important, and they are looking at, as Vishal said, they are looking at a very small bit of margins, but retail is looking at a larger margin to survive.
The
So the
number
entire
of
thought process
trades
is
might
different.
be lower, but the retail will want a higher profit per trade with
Correct.
a higher loss per trade.
Correct.
Generally, which he or she will be part of the
In
equation.
percentage terms.
In percentage.
Yeah, but institution would be surviving on very, very thin margins.
But churning it
regularly.
Like one high frequency trader which we were working with way back in 2008-9 when they just started. It was infancy of algo in India. We're doing market making on BSE, and the number of orders was 250,000 orders in a day, coming from 3 desktop computers, but not very powerful computers, but it used to eat up the whole CPU and RAM. मतलब ऐसा सोचो machines पड़ा है, चल रहा है वो, okay, Omnisys पे होता था तभी, it was running on. You can't do anything because it's consuming the whole bandwidth. but it was pumping 250,000 orders a day in BSE and doing 3% of the cash volume in BSE with 3 computers.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.